Alright guys, you can probably hear Rambo barking. Bo, we're gonna cut the grass later. Alright, so we got some binoculars and a little pop-up blind for Bo. What we're gonna do is we put some fresh bird seeds again. We tried this video a couple weeks ago, and we're gonna try it again and see if Bo can get close to some birds. Alright, unzip it. Pulling that thing out. Mama's watching the bird bath over there in the background. Let's see what you got. Here, need me to help you? Hold that. Alright. Whoa! Alright, let's open that up. You know how to open it up? Here, let me help you. Alright. So we're gonna have to put some weight in it. Alright, we're gonna have to get some weight in there. We're gonna let it sit out here for a couple hours. Maybe the birds will get used to it. And we'll be back. Alright, let's sneak up. Whoa! We're gonna have to tie it down. You got your binoculars ready? Alright, well we're gonna let this sit here for a couple hours. And we'll be back and check it out. Alright. So Bo is in the blind. And we're starting to get a little action. So he's gonna sit tight with his binoculars. The feeder's right there. So